Hi everyone, it's Kyona. So I thought I would share with you guys how I make pizza at home. Pizza is one of Vince's favorite things to eat, so it was fun finding a way to make it with all of the things that he really likes. So stick around. So here's what I'm using. I'm using a Pillsbury Pizza Crust. I found this in the biscuit section. I'm using Jimmy Dean Italian sausage, some creamy mozzarella. I also am using this pizza seasoning from the Gourmet Collection, some red sauce, some pizza sauce, pepperoni, and some vegetables. Now, when you take the pizza crust out of the packaging, of course, it's like a biscuit. And I found it in the biscuit section. You'll have to pre-cook it. You'll have to figure out also how to make it nice and round. You can see I didn't make it nice and round, but I just improvised. It still tastes good. It tastes really good. So after I cooked the crust for about 8 minutes, I took it out, and now I am spreading on the sauce that I'm using as the pizza sauce. We usually like marinara sauce. I just didn't have any, so I just took whatever red sauce I had in the pantry. I am adding cheese at this section also. I'll add some more at the end, but I really like adding the cheese on top of the sauce here. I like this Kraft creamy melt. I use it in everything. Vince only eats mozzarella cheese. Like, he won't eat any other cheese except mozzarella. So that's what I'm using. Next, I'm going to go in with the Jimmy Dean Italian sausage. I pre-cooked the sausage, I drained it, and now I'm spreading it all over the pizza. They have so many different flavors of this Jimmy Dean sausage, but this Italian one, it is yummy. Next, I'll go in with the vegetables. I'm using red onions and orange peppers and yellow peppers and red peppers. It gives the pizza beautiful coloring and a definitely, like, I don't know, something fresh and homemade taste about it in the best way. After that, I go in with the pepperonis, and the great thing about cooking your own pizza is you get to put as many pepperonis as you want, or as many of any of the toppings as you want. So yes, I'm going to go in with the pepperoni, and after that I will go for another round of cheese lightly over the top. And after the cheese, I'll go in with a little bit of my pizza seasoning, the Pizza Palooza seasoning. I got the seasoning from Home Goods. I always buy my seasonings from Home Goods. I don't know, it just tastes good. It's not salty, which is great. It just adds a little bit of extra flavor to the pizza. It tastes really good. So once I finish with all of that, I'm just going to stick this all back in the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes. So the homemade pizza is definitely a crowd pleaser. My niece was in town for the weekend, and I had just finished making Vince and I's pizza, and of course she didn't want all of the toppings on it, so I had an extra crust in the refrigerator, and I let her go to work on her own pizza. How is it? It's good. It's awesome. So this is such a quick, easy, and tasty recipe that I make sure to keep all ingredients on deck. So whenever I need something quick to cook, the homemade pizza is definitely an option. So I hope that you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And thank you guys for watching.